Here we are at the Wankhede, RCB versus Mumbai Indians, but it almost feels like RCB's home ground.
पूरा मुंबई का स्टेडियम आरसीबी से ही भर गए हैं.
We are here to dominate. RCB is here to win this time. No matter how much DJ noise is, but we are here to kill. Chant for RCB no matter what.
क्राउड जो है, लॉयल आरसीबी फैंस जो है, ये कभी चुप नहीं बैठेंगे और इनका आवाज कोई भी कम नहीं कर सकता.
आरसीबी आरसीबी
What is the best chant that you're hearing all across the Wankhede tonight?
RCB! RCB! RCB!
It's amazing. Everyone is here for Virat Kohli, but also for RCB. And
It's absolutely ethereal, and you can't tell that this isn't the home ground.
Virat Kohli bringing up his half century at the Wankhede. How special is this innings? Watching it live.
It is really special. Virat is doing what he always does the best.
this may be the home of Mumbai Indians, but this is RCB's kingdom, and Virat Kohli is ruling.
विराट इज ऑब्वियसली पोएट्री इन मोशन.
उसमें पैसा वसूल हो जाता है जब कोहली खेलते हैं. हम सबका पैसा वसूल उसमें ही हो जाता है.
Let's talk about the way RCB went about the first innings.
Yeah, sure. So it was brilliant start by RCB, especially from our opener Virat.
I'm really happy to see even Devdutt contribute because having him back in the squad has been fantastic.
Good to see the great partnership happening between Patidar, Kohli.
The way Patidar played a captain knock destroyed the MI bowlers.
What an exceptional win this evening. RCB versus MI at the Wankhede. Let's talk about what turned things around for RCB in the second innings.
The wicket that Bhuvi took and Hazelwood took totally turned the match, and the catch that Tim David took, that was the turning point of the match.
हार्दिक पांड्या का जब विकेट लिया तो सारा कवर हो गया और मैच हम जीत गए.
I think Yash Dayal's over in the initial thing set it up for us beautifully, and then him sticking with the slower ones to Surya especially.
Bhuvaneshwar Kumar has made a great entrance, great pace bowler. He's done the job that he was supposed to. He has killed it. He's killed it.
I think Krunal's temperament in the last over, so that was really good, and the fielding also backed him up really well.
I think Tim David's fielding at the covers, long on. I think he saved a couple of fours and then backed it up with a catch. Excellent catch from Salt.
This is phenomenal, and this is something else I was expecting from in Mumbai, in Wankhede from RCB. But the dream always comes true.
And obviously Wankhede, be it anywhere in India, away from India, RCB is going to be there. RCB fans are going to be there. You're going to hear loud chants from us.
RCB!